Hello everyone, this video is about new to Jaguar Xe Sedan. So let's start. So the first point is design. The style and presence of the Xe differentiate it from any other cars in its class. This is an extraordinary sports sedan. Second point is explore exterior, and if you talk about performance, then renowned for its dynamic handling, the XE has been enhanced even further with upgrades to the suspension and revised Jaguar drive comfort. Be prepared for a thrilling ride, guys. Next is explore driving performance. Then, if you talk about technology, optional touch Pro Duo infotainment system offers states of the art entertainment displayed over two touch screens. Intelligent technology features enhance your driving experience while you stay connected. Next is explore in car technology, and if you talk about explore exteriors, then instinctively eye-catching, the muscular stance of the XE accentuates its stylish presence. Premium LED headlights with signature DRL, the wide grille and dynamic front bumpers, all emphasize the vehicle's dominant profile. Then the next point is explore interior. Then interior built around you. The cockpit style cabin features a redesigned center console that together with a Jaguar SportShift selector and Jaguar drive control perfectly reflects the sporting essence of the XE. Next is standard features. Then signature tail lights inspired by the F-type. The gleam LED tail lights complement the vehicle's sporting character with a distinct yet elegant design featuring shrunken graphics. Next point is Jaguar SportShift selector. For fast manual changes, the Jaguar SportShift selector is simple and intuitive to use, adding to the sporty nature of the XE. There are some important points I want to share about it. So the first point is torque vectoring by braking. Second is TouchPro. Third is premium LED headlights, and fourth is dynamic stability control. So today we are comparing Jaguar XE versus BMW 3 Series. So take a look at this, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.